Shown here is the MS Series Edge Sander with a model number of MS S2D2W2. It is equipped with two 600 type triangular sanding pads, two chamfer cutter heads, and two dual-purpose sanding heads. Optional configurations are chamfered sanding pads and milling cutters. These two triangular sanding pads offer easy adjustment of angles ranging from -45 degrees to +45 degrees. Only one operator is required to complete the flexible adjustment process. The sanding belt, sanding head, and conveyor belt all allow for speed regulation with variable frequency drive. They are ideally suited for sanding the profile of different wooden products. The variable speed range is 0 to 1400 revolutions per minute for sanding belts, 0 to 2800 revolutions per minute for sanding heads, and 0 to 30 meters per minute for conveyor belts. The block of the sanding pad features a sensor which detects workpieces. It runs forward or backward automatically while simultaneously providing upward or downward oscillation. A chamfer cutter is provided for chamfering and tracking applications. This ensures the corner has a smooth surface. The sanding pad comes with an oscillating device that guarantees a smooth and safe abrasive. The sanding head is designed with both automatic compensation and oscillating devices. Manual setup can be achieved to accomplish the automatic compensation of abrasives. The MS S4W2 Edge Sander is provided with four 6-type triangular sanding pads and two dual-purpose sanding heads. The triangular sanding pad allows for easy angle adjustment. The maximum sanding width is 80 millimeters. Upon request, the width of 130 millimeters is optional. The variable frequency drive is available. The MXS S3W6 profile sander is well suited for sanding of paint, wood veneer, and the white body of the door casing. It is equipped with three